Okay, in this part of the video, we're going to show you again how to correctly clean out your ears using the equipment we discussed previously. Okay, you can do this yourself, but if you have somebody to help you, this can be a little bit of an easier transition. Now, if you're going to be cleaning out your left ear, you want to lay your right ear on a pillow. Now, the key to this is time. Once I place the drops in her ear, she's going to lay here about 15 to 20 minutes and really let that D-Brox soak up into the earwax. As she gets up and moves around afterwards, as she's walking, talking, and chewing, it's going to get on that conveyor belt in your ear canal and eventually come out. Now again, if you're wearing hearing aids or earplugs, you are blocking that ear canal, but at least if you soften this up and seek from a healthcare professional, they can actually flush out your ears, and it's a lot less painful and it's a very smoother transition. Okay, so we're going to take some of the D-Brox right here. And all we're going to do, if you have somebody to help you, they can pull on your ears right here and place 5 to 10 drops in the ear. Okay, and she's going to lay here about 15 to 20 minutes. And afterwards, she's going to get some body temperature water. Hopefully you've got a partner there to help you. And you actually use the syringe bowl, place it in the water, squeeze it, it will suck up the water. Okay. Then again, we're going to come around to that ear canal. We can pull it open to really get it in there. And we're actually going to place the water. You can do it about 3 or 4 times. Again, you want to have body temperature water. If it's too cold, you can make the person dizzy. Okay, afterwards, she's going to repeat on the other side, flip over, and do the exact same thing. Total time for this is going to be at least 30 minutes, okay? Again, the key element is time. Now, if you do this 3 or 4 nights in a row and you feel like you're not getting anything out, that's when I definitely would go seek a healthcare professional. They've got better equipment to help flush out the ears, but you will have broken it up. Again, I'm Dr. Steele, the hearing guy. If you'd like any more information on this, please call us at 828-274-6913. Again, that's 828-274-6913. Or go to our website at www.thehearingguide.net. Thank you.